So in this video, I'm going to be solving this geometric question. For those that have taken a lecture under this particular topic, there's some theorems I'll be mentioning, and I will assume that you already know the theorems. Before I proceed, first of all, I need to identify that this particular angle here is 90 degree, right? So please, that's very important. So the question says in the figure shown, that's right, okay, angle POQ. We're given that POQ is 55 degree. In order to make it easier, let me just plug in the angle straight up. So this angle here is what? 55 what degree, okay? Let me rewrite it, 55 degrees, okay? Then the question now goes further. It says, find each of the following: angle SOT, ROT, POT, and POR. So there's only one angle known here, and that is angle what? POQ. So we are looking for SOT. So what is SOT? This is SOT. So we are looking for this angle. So in order not to make it complicated, most of the time I try as much as possible to give each of these angles here, I give them a name. So for this case, I will call this angle, let me call this angle A. Let me call this angle B. Of course, we already know this, but let me, okay, this is 90, so I will call this C, okay? For the purpose of this particular solution, to make it easier. So for A, we are looking for SOT. So SOT, that's SOT, is equal to what? POQ. That's PO what? Q. The reason is what? Vertically opposite angles are equal, all right? And so if SOT is equal to POQ, then SOT, don't forget, it's the same thing as A. So A is equal to what? POQ, which is equal to what? 55 degree. The reason is vertically opposite angles are equal. You can see 55 and A, they are vertically opposite to each other. Vertically opposite angles is actually an angle formed when two lines intersect, okay? So I'm going to be producing a video. I'm not sure if I've produced one of the videos under that. So let's move on to B. So for B, ROT, we are looking for ROT. Now, ROT comprises of angle A and B. Now, the next thing is we have already known angle A. So for us to get ROT, we need to know the smaller angle B. And it's very simple. For us to get angle B, you know that the sum of angle on this side is 180. That's angle on the straight line. So let's first get that. So we can say that what? 55 plus what? 90, which is C, right? Plus B is equal to what? 180 degree. That's sum of angle on the straight line. So 55 plus 90, that is what? 145 degree, right? Plus B will give us what? 180 degree. So B will be 180 minus 145. So B will give us 180 minus 145, and that will give us what? 35 what degree. So B basically is 35 degree. So since B is 35 degree, we can therefore, I don't want to move away from this. So we can say, therefore, ROT, so let's generate the formula as ROT will now be what? A plus B. And what is A? That is 55, right, plus 35. And that will give us what? 90 degree. So the angle ROT is what? 90 what degree. All right. So that's there. But well, that's true, because if I draw the line of action of R will go like this somehow, okay? So definitely this angle is 90. If this is 90, then that this side will be 90 and this side will also be 90. So that is true. So that is A, B. Then the next one is C. So for C, we are looking for POT. That is POT. So POT is the whole angle here. All right. So how do we get POT? Well, there are two ways by which we can get POT. The truth of the matter is the sum of the whole angle here is what? Is 360 degree, right? That is number one. And number two, When I say 360, this plus this plus this plus this, 360 minus the sum of angle here will give us what? POT. That is that about that. Another way we can determine POT, I think that's the best way. That's number one. Number two, we can take the sum of angle here to be 180. So let me say this angle POT here, let me call it what? K. All right, so I can say that what? K plus what? A is equal to what? 180 degree. That's sum of angle on a straight line. That's, I take POT to be K. So in that case, that would be what? K plus what is A? A has been gotten, that is 55, right? It's got to what? 180 degrees. So we can say that K is 180 minus what? 55. So in that case, K, which represents what? POT. We'll have a 180 minus 55, that is what? 125 degree. Perhaps someone said, okay, why can't you use the other method? So let me use the other method. This is still K, but I'll take the sum of angle here to be equal to 360. So, or we can do it this way. Okay, let me use this side. Let me use blue pen here. Or we can say 55 plus C here is 90, right? Plus B. What is B? We've gotten B plus 35, right? Plus A. A in this case has been gotten to be 55, right? It's got to what? 360 what degree. So let's add everything together. We have what? 55. Okay, no, I've not added something else. Pardon me. 55 plus 90 plus 35 plus, okay, plus 35 plus A. What is A? Okay, 55, 90, B is 35. Then A is also 55 plus 55. Then plus K, pardon me, it's got to what? 360 degree. Sum of angle at a point, okay? So in that case, if I add everything, 55 plus 90, right, plus 35 plus 55, right, that will give us 235. So we have 235 plus K is got to what? 360 degree. So K will now be what? 360 minus 235. So K will give us 360 minus 235. So K is what? 125. And don't forget that K is the same thing as what? POT, which is equal to 125 degree. All right, so that's that about that. Then let's look at POR. Excuse me. What is POR? That is POR. That's straight to the point. POR, this is the angle covered by POR. That is POR. So it comprises of 55 plus C. That's straight to the point. So we can say that POR will now be what? 55 plus C, which is 90, plus 90. And so 55 plus 90 will give us what? 145 what? Degree. I want to believe this video accepts someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. I'll be looking forward to receiving your comments. See you in the next video. Thank you.